Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Hanging Shoe Organizers.
Number 5.
Seville Classics She 15996B Shoe Rack. Adjustable depth rods fit small and large shoes. Store as many as 18 pairs of shoes per unit. Extendable weight pulse let you store more shoes on each tier. Chrome finish provides corrosion resistance in dry environments. Metal wire frame.
Number 4.
Closet made 8983 stackable 15-unit organizer. Customize your space using our stackable organizers. Easy cleanup with just a damp cloth. Can accommodate flip-flops, sandals or other low-profile shoes that measure smaller than 5.75 inches. Product measurements: 19-38-inch HX 24.13-inch WX 11.63-inch D. Features 15 cubes, inside dimensions of 1 cube, 5.75 inch. Easy to assemble. Material: laminated wood. Product is SCA Title 6 compliant.
Number 3.
Kohler KCBCLC 2026 FS frameless, sturdy and durable, made from premium high quality, anti-rust stainless steel for durability and sturdiness. Premium material, fabric covers moisture-proof, flexible, lightweight, breathable. No hassle, extremely easy to assemble and take apart the shoe rack without any hassle. Dimensions: 39.125 x 11.125 x 69.5. Customer support: we, at Halter, offer not only top-grade quality products but also provide
Number 2.
Songmix 4-tier shoe rack 20 pairs metal. 4-tier shoe rack stores up to 20 pairs of heels or 16 pairs of athletic shoes, men's shoes. Sturdy and durable, made of thickened iron tubes and high-quality plastic connectors. Quick and easy assembly, no tools required setting up and disassembling, same length short poles for easier assembly. Shoe and boot storage organizer, the tier distance of 7.5. 19 centimeters is for regular shoes, you may store boots. Jack boots and high-top shoes on the top shelf without worrying about falling off.
Number 1.
Simple houseware stackable wire grid shoes. Stores up to 9 pairs of shoes, additional bottom storage for slippers. Sturdy metal construction with classic bronze coating, each shelf holding up to 30 pounds. Easy assembly, personalized storage. purchase more units to build both horizontally and vertically. Build, stack, expand, connect, and organize with multiple 3-tier wire grid utility shoe racks. Product dimension: 26.75 WX 12.5 DX 19.5 H.